Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be making a dog bed for Mr. Moose, and I'm going to be using only free materials. I have some free wood that I'm going to do to make a frame for the bed. I have some wood here that I'm going to use basically as decorative. This is essentially the backboard to his bed, and this is roughly my design. Here's some old legs from an old piece of furniture that I kept. Here's a blanket I'm going to use as a liner, and the staple I'm going to use to staple it onto the wood. And these are all my tools and some screws, and I should have some wood glue right there. And this is Mr. Moose. What do you think? I think he likes it already, and it's not even close to being finished. Now it's time to cut these boards to length. All right, the next step is to screw these onto these boards, and it's gonna be done like that. Right, it's finished. And then I'm gonna flip it over. Oh. And I'm going to put this wood from here to here, so I have something to staple my fabric onto.
I'll get back to you about that fence. Probably not.
This is my family.
Yeah. Moosey.
This is Moosey.
Boy. Moosey's a little crazy.
Oh, can we bring my fish down there?
He's a little crazed.
He's a crazy dog.
He's a silly. He's a vicious lap dog.
He's so cute.
Yeah, he's cute.
Okay, so I got these pieces cut. I'm going to screw these in, and the next step is going to be to staple the blanket onto, well, to put this on the frame, and then to put the blanket over it, and then staple it on to this frame. So before I staple the fabric onto the frame, I am going to pre-drill these 4 corners to fit these 4 legs. And I've also pre-measured my drill bit because I really don't want it to be that much longer than this. And it's, as you can see, it's just a hair longer, and that would make it just about perfect. And now I've just started stapling, and I'm going to show you when it's all done. All right, so it's been stapled, and it's starting to look more like a piece of furniture now, which is pretty nice. And I'm going to flip this over and put the legs on, which is going to actually be a little cumbersome. This is what it looks like right now. I finished stapling the fabric onto the frame, and I put the legs on. And Mr. Moose approves, right? Hey, buddy. All right, so the new plan is to add a piece of wood that goes like this to this to connect it, and then to not do the backboard. Then I'm going to cut this into a piece for this side and a piece for that side, and then I'm going to put it through the table saw and cut it in half, and that will give me a total of 4 boards that go all the way around it. Then I'm going to take this wood right here and make these sort of like wooden corners. Alright, so I made these corner things that are going to go here, and I'm going to cut them. Alright, so these are finished being cut, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to putty them. I'm going to let them dry all night, and then tomorrow I'm going to sand and smooth this out, and also get it ready for painting. So I have sanded down where I've puttied in these holes, and now I'm going to paint it. And I also put up this cardboard, and I gotta kick Moosey out. Moosey, what are you doing in here? What are you doing, buddy? You happy with the way it is? Yeah?
Stinky cheese though, Mama.
Yeah.
Do you like feeding them? I'll find one and make some stinky cheese though, okay?
Who's gonna eat the stinky cheese?
A skunk?
Do you think Moose will eat the stinky cheese?
Just a skunk.